While loop. While loop is a indefinite loop. While loop is also known as an entry control loop because at the beginning of the loop a condition will be given. If this condition is satisfied if the condition is true, it enters the body of the loop and statements within the loop gets executed. This can be well understood by the syntax. While is the keyword, condition. If this condition is true, the condition is satisfied, the statements within the while gets executed. This is the body of the loop and these statements get executed once the condition is true. After executing all the statements within the loop, it goes back, again checks for the condition. If it is true, again the statements will be executed. This process happens iteratively until the condition is proved to be false. Let us take an example and see. Count is a integer variable which is initialized with a value 1. This is the loop structure. While count less than or equal to 5. This is the condition given. And these are the block of statements within the loop. Using cout, displaying the value of count and incrementing the count value by 1. Initially the count value will be 1. So 1 less than or equal to 5. So the condition is true. So count will be displayed, count value, that is 1 is displayed. Again count value is incremented, so count becomes 2. Again it goes 2 less than or equal to 5. Yes, true, condition is true. Enters the loop, count value is displayed, so 2 is also displayed, and then count value is incremented. Now the count value becomes 3. 3 less than or equal to 5. Yes, true, 3 will be displayed, count value incremented, it becomes 4. 4 less than or equal to 5. Yes, condition satisfied. Again count value is displayed. Again it goes, checks for the condition 5 less than or equal to. Since equal to is given, the 5 value is also considered. So the 5 also gets, value 5 gets displayed. Again count value gets incremented by 1. It becomes 6. When count value becomes 6, 6 less than or equal to 5, condition is false. So count value will not be displayed. It won't enter the loop, body of the loop. Once the condition is false, it comes out of the loop and the following statements within the program gets executed. This is how the while loop works. Let's look into the flowchart. So this is the while loop flowchart. The condition within the while is represented using this rhombus. This is the test condition. And if the condition is satisfied, if the condition is true, then it enters the body of the loop, executes all the statements within the body of the loop. Again, it goes back and tests for the condition. If it is true, execute statement, again go test the condition. Once the condition becomes false, it will come out of the loop and executes the next statement or the following statements within the program. This is how the while loop works. This is a sample program to understand the working of while loop. This is the while loop defined in this program and the condition. These two are the statements within the while loop. Until the condition is satisfied, these two statements get executed iteratively. In this program, I am trying to display numbers from 1 till the last number which is entered by the user. Fnum is the first number, Lnum is the last number, and the last number is entered by the user. A display message, enter the last number to be displayed, is given, and as per the number entered by the user, the Lnum value is taken. Within the while loop, the condition is tested if Fnum less than or equal to Lnum. While Fnum is less than or equal to Lnum, the Fnum value is displayed and it is incremented by 1. Fnum plus plus is nothing but Fnum equal to Fnum plus 1. It is a unary operator which increments Fnum value by 1 each time. So initially Fnum value will be 1. It will check the condition whether it has reached the last number. If the condition is true, it is less than the last number entered by the user. This number will be entered by the user. So until it is less than that number, it is displayed, it is incremented. Again, it goes back, condition is tested. This happens until it reaches the last number. So let's see how this program works. Suppose I want to display numbers from 1 to 10. So I'll give the last number value as 10. So it is displaying numbers from 1 to 10. But a comma is displayed after the last number. To avoid this, you can make the following changes in the program. That is, make this condition as fnum less than lnum, so that when it reaches the last number, the condition is not satisfied and it is not executed in this while loop. So come out of the while loop and then try to print that number. That number value will be in the fnum variable. So I can do this. Let us check how it works. So again I'll give 10. The numbers from 1 to 10 is displayed and the comma in the last line after the last digit is avoided by using this logic.